Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok account. So let's start. First, open the TikTok app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Then tap on three dots on top right corner. Now go to manage your account. To delete your TikTok account, you have to link your phone number with your account. If you haven't done it yet, then do it right now by tapping on phone number. Now tap delete account at the bottom of the screen. Now tap send code. An OTP will be sent to your phone within a few moments. Now type in the OTP and tap continue. Remember, if you're deleting your account, then your account will be deactivated for the first 30 days and you can easily reactivate by logging in. After these 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. Now tap on delete account and your account will be deleted. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.